Now that you've completed all 4 of the MCIS assessments, and again, those assessments were the career cluster, the interest profiler, short form, skills, and work importance locator. I'm now going to show you how you can submit your results, and then I'll be able to print them for you. First, you need to go to My Portfolio and choose your sort and assessment results. Then it's important that you pick the skills assessment. So we're going to choose the skills assessment and then restore your answer set. What happens when you do that is it gives us all of these options. If you pick one of these options, I usually pick the top 30, and then it gives us an option to print. So I'm going to select print, and this is why we want to use this one, because at this point then it'll let us select all these topics. So your name should already be here. Going to choose select all topics, and then we're going to go print selected. Now I know your laptops aren't hooked up to printers, so what we're going to do is we're going to print it as a PDF. So if you go to the destination and choose change and show all, you'll see an option to save as PDF. So you want to choose save as PDF and then save, and then it's important that you choose your OneDrive. So you should have listed here or somewhere OneDrive Marshall Public Schools. So we want to go OneDrive Marshall Public Schools, find your careers folder, and then we want to name this MCIS results, and put that in your careers folder on your OneDrive and choose save. What it will do then is it will save it into that folder as a PDF document. At that point then you will be able to go to Schoology and submit, find that in your folder and submit the PDF document of your results. From there I will print them, and this is what they look like. So it'll show all of the skills that you selected. It will show me your Prellen personality type. And what you're going to be doing is we're going to be researching careers in your top personality type, also in your top possible 5 clusters, as well as you can look at your top 30 occupations. Please watch the video on the next assignment, and I explain a lot more of that in detail. This one is just so you can print as a PDF these results and submit them to me. Hopefully you're logged into your MCIS website. Go back and read the directions on Schoology with a reminder of your username and password. If you're not able to get in after that, you will have to let me know. I can go in and check your username and reset your password. Once you're in MCIS, you're going to want to go and see what you have in there from Ramp Up. So if you select My Portfolio and go to Sort and Assessment Results, you will see in here any assessments that you have taken for each one of the assessment links here. If you feel like you would really like to redo these assessments and have your results just be all new, what you can do is you can go and select Career Cluster Inventory and select the trash bin underneath Delete. The 4 assessments that you'll be doing in careers this week will be the Career Cluster Inventory, the Interest Profiler Short Form. So if you go to Assessments, you can see them here: Career Cluster Inventory, Interest Profiler Short Form, Skills, and Work Importance Locator. Just those 4. Again, Career Cluster Inventory, Interest Profiler Short Form, Skills, and Work Importance Locator. It is important, it can skew your results if you have an old assessment in there and your interests have changed. So again, if you go to My Portfolio, Sort and Assessment Results, and if you want to go in and delete this interest profiler that you did a year or 2 ago, just select the trash bin underneath Delete and delete those. Now, what you'll do next is you're going to actually take these assessments. It's very important that when you take these assessments that when you open them, you read the directions very thoroughly, and then you begin them. When you're done taking the assessment, it's very important that you save it so that when you go to My Portfolio and sort and assessment results, that they show up in here as being saved. So you're going to do all 4 of those assessments, the Career Cluster Inventory, the short form for the Interest Profiler, Skills, and Work Importance Locator, and have those all saved. When you're done with those, then go and watch this next video so you understand how you can save those results as a PDF and submit them to me so that you receive credit for them and so that I can print you out a copy that we will be using throughout the quarter in class as you research careers in your high interest areas.